Greetings, English 673. I have just finished grading all of your final projects and your final exams, and I just wanted to take this moment and let you know that your grades are up on Moodle and that you can access them as well as my feedback. I gave written feedback for all of your final exams and audio feedback for all of your video projects. And I just want to take this moment to tell you guys it was my sincere pleasure teaching you this semester. Oh my gosh, COVID. We're never going to forget this summer. And I have really enjoyed seeing all of you guys grow. And beyond that, beyond your growth, just your perseverance, your positivity, your your ability to collaborate with one another and to support one another during this time period. I just have such faith with this group that you're going to all be amazing teachers. So my final advice for you is to remain positive. Do not let the world beat this positivity out of you. I think this is one of the hardest things that teachers struggle with is going into the classroom and starting to feel as if the task is overwhelming. I have a kid coming in, but you can do this, and I know you can. And just remember that when the students sometimes seem like they're not getting it, that this is your opportunity to really dig deep and to make this a sincere learning moment for them as students, but also for you as a teacher. How to connect with somebody that you're struggling to connect with. And if you can really dig deep during those moments, you will find this to be an enriching profession for yourself personally and for your students. So, I wish you all the best of luck. If you have any questions, be sure to email me, and Ellie and Ras will say goodbye and good luck.